Hi, I'm Jules from Fastcut, and today we're going to show you how to fit a Mugen style rear spoiler to your Civic FN2 Type R. The first job is taking off the original. Let's get to it. So you've got 4 bolts in here after you pulled the trim off. They're all 10mm, so they come off, and then you've got 1 bolt either side to come out. Remember to do the top one because that's the one that's attached to the spoiler. The bottom one's got nothing to do with it. To be fair, that's like a glove. Great little part. So the first bolts we're going to put in are the end ones. So 4 bolts back in, and then trim with a little bit of finesse. So there you go, 6 bolts, 10-15 minutes, job done.